Hey guys, what's going on? Street and Trail here. Today, I am putting a Yoshimura exhaust on my 2013 Can-Am Outlander 800R. It's just stock on it right now. I decided to pick that up. So yeah, I'm gonna do a sound comparison of stock and with the Yoshi. I guess with the Yoshi, you don't need a programmer unlike all the other ones. I guess it was designed by Can-Am and Yoshi. But if you take the spark arrestor out, I'm told in that case you do need a tuner. So it's not bad. It was like 600 bucks, brand new. Anyway, let's go ahead and open it. So my bike's kind of a mess right now. I was out last night and it was below freezing, so I wasn't able to wash it, but ignore that. I'm painting up those rims. For winter, I'm gonna stud those. Alright, what the heck is going on? Oh, there she is. Beauty. That's going on. Oh, what's going on here? This is all the hardware and the friggin' exhaust plug. All right, we'll do a little sound difference here. All right, so for the removal, it's simple. It's just this bolt up top. You'll need a 13 wrench and a 13 ratchet. And the same thing here on the other side, and then just the C-clamp or whatever. I think that was a 10 mil on the exhaust. And we'll figure out how to install it here. Comes with all this hardware. All right, so you'll have this separate piece. You're gonna put this in there. This is gonna go there. I just put these on. All right, so we got it all hooked up. You do use all the hardware. This piece, I'm not exactly, there's no instructions, so I just kind of guessed. You put that black piece in there, the rubber piece, in this gold colored piece, and then there's like a collar. You put that in between there, and then the big washer. That's how I did that. I wasn't sure here either, but I just used the smaller washer there because I assumed you get the big rubber piece in the bottom mount for the muffler, and then again I put the collar against the metal, and then the big washer on the back, and that's pretty much it. This was a little bit hard to get in there. It's a little bit oversized, but you'll be able to get it in. I had to bend this a little bit. All right, let's hear how it sounds, I guess. There you go. That's much better. Love the sound of that. Super excited to get out and try it. So yeah, there you go. Go ahead and like the video if you enjoyed. I have a couple other videos on my Can-Am. Lots of other stuff on there. Go ahead and check it out. Subscribe. See you next time, guys. Peace.